Hi, I'm Richard from Richard Neville Tai Chi, and just to go along with the 16-step videos, I'm doing another little 8-step one. I know there's already one on my YouTube channel, but it doesn't hurt to kind of watch it done again, because I might do it slightly differently this time. You never really know. I don't. And the reason for the 8, remember, or the reason we start with the 8, is because the 8 allows you to kind of focus on the hands, because all you're really doing is step in one way and step in the other, and so it doesn't take a huge amount of space. So as a little couple of minute exercise routine, the 8-step Tai Chi form is really pretty good. So we start with prepare and begin. So we prepare. Give it a couple of seconds. Then we begin. We whirl arms. So whirl arms, bring both arms up like this, look at the back hand. Change over to the other side. Change over again. Now we brush the left leg and push. Sink into the right leg, come up on the toes of the heel of the left foot and turn it out. As you bring the left hand across, brush and push. And we do the opposite. So the left hand comes up, turn that left foot back in, turn the right foot out, brush across, push. Into part wild horse's mane. So come up, turn that right foot back in, right hand comes to the top of the ball, left one comes around, pull in, step out, part wild horse's mane. Come around, step in, part wild horse's mane. Cloud hands. We do 1, we do 2, we don't step in, because we do 1, we do 2. Pull in to golden cockerel stands on left leg. Step down, golden cockerel stands on right leg. Step down, cross the hands left over right. So when you turn and lift, the right hand is in front. Separate, kick with the right heel. Step down, cross the hands right over left. Turn, lift, separate, kick with the left heel. Step down, pull in to hold the ball on the left. Grasp peacock's tail to the right. Come around, pull in, grasp peacock's tail to the left. Open that door, step where you need to, and in. That was a quick and dirty run through of that, but that's the gist of it. So like I say, if you've only got a couple of minutes per day to exercise, or you think you've only got a couple of minutes per day to exercise, and you want to do something, learn that, and at least you're lifting your arms, you're moving your legs, you're moving about, and do it a couple of times, or do it once in the morning, do it at dinner time, do it in the evening. There is no reason not to incorporate Tai Chi into your day. You can do it in very small spaces, you can take movements out of it in isolation. It's all just about combining your hands and your legs together and then moving. And even if you can't do it now, it's something that it would be good if you learned. I didn't think this part of the video through. But really it is. It's you don't have to be really good at Tai Chi to enjoy it. And you can get good enough at Tai Chi to enjoy it by watching videos like this and having a go. So please do let me know how you get on. That was the 8. That's quite the static one. And then there's some videos on the 16 and on the 24, but the 16 is the next logical one, because the 16 is when we start the moving meditation part of Tai Chi. So good luck.